Hey, what up, Go Auto fam? Hope you guys have a wonderful day today. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to download the Go Autopilot application on your Intel Mac device. So, first off, you got to go up and check what chip device you're on specifically so you can know if you need to download Intel or M chip. So, I'm on an M chip device, but you can download the Intel version on an M chip. But FYI, though, if you're on an M chip, do not download the Intel version because it's not built for Apple Silicon devices that are running M chip. It's going to run a lot slower because it's built specifically for Intel chip, not for Apple Silicon M chips. So you go up here to the Apple logo about this Mac. It's how you figure out what chip you're on. So I'm on an M1 chip, Apple M1 chip. So that goes to show you that I'm running on an M chip, not an Intel chip. But you can still download an M chip, but I would highly recommend to not run this Intel version on your M chip device. All right. So now we're going to open up Safari, go to our Whop here. So I'm going to open a new window. There we go. Go whop.com. Hit enter. And then we go down the side here. Go to Go Algo. Hit Go Algo. And now we're presented as previewing as a automation bundle subscriber. So since you're an automation bundle subscriber, you see you have integration, which is basically access to Discord for support, one-on-one support, tech support, access to community for strategy settings, and communicate with others as well. And then you have access to downloading the software from here. And then you also have access to the automation trading suite. That's our custom in-house strategies and indicators. By typing in your TradingView username, you can claim the indicators and immediately get access in your TradingView account in the invite-only indicator section. All right, let's go straight into downloading the Go Autopilot app. So if you're on Intel chip, so you can hit here, download for macOS. Drop down curves. There's M chip and Intel chip, but for example purposes only, I'm going to be downloading the Intel chip to show you guys for those on Intel. There we go. Hit allow. So now we're going to download this application. So right now it's downloading this. There we go. It has downloaded. I'm going to close this out now. Open this. And now you're going to have a security thing that pops up here. Cannot open because of a security. So verify malware, free malware. So what we're going to have to do is go up to here. Go to system settings. Then go to privacy and security. You're going to scroll all the way to the bottom and you see where security is. Go Autopilot was blocked to protect your Mac device. So you hit open anyway. Open anyway, and it will open up the application. So I'm going to use my password. I'm going to use my fingerprint here. Minimize this, and it should open up the application. So to me, it's going to be very laggy. It's going to load up very slow because I'm on an M chip. So it's going to be very laggy to boot up. But if you're on an Intel chip, it should boot up properly and efficiently compared to a Mac chip because this Intel version is not built for M chip Apple Silicon devices. So if you're on an M chip device, please ensure to download the M chip version, not the Apple Silicon version. Yeah, it's taking a while, as you can see. Another thing I forgot to mention is if you're subscribed to just only the standalone software like Go Core, Go Pro, Go Elite, and Go Ultimate, you would only have access to the Discord and the ability to download the software. You don't have access to the in-house indicator strategies that we have built. And there we go. You have access now to the new Go Autopilot application. All right, guys. I'll catch you guys later. See ya.